Ooh, don't bump your head. Where's your toy? Can you get your toy? Oh no, it's way under there, isn't it? You got it! What a good, what a good dog. Give me your toy and I'll throw it for you. This is the best toy. It's a cap from a laundry detergent bottle. The most fun toy in the world. It bounces in random directions and sometimes it gets underneath things. Oh, good job. We've had you for 2 months and you finally found some good toys. Actually, it's only been like 6 weeks. Bring the toy to me. Bring it. Can you bring it? Uh-oh. Can you fetch? Is it lost? I'll throw it for you. Good job. Nice. Don't bite me. Just I don't know what you're doing. Ow. Whoops, I dropped it. Good dog. Good dog. Good dog. Good dog.